Hey everyone, it's David here. I'm going to do a check-in video with you. I've been showing you some checks the last couple videos. I'm going to show you, so this came in the mail today. It is addressed to me and it is a FedEx. Let's see what's in here first of all. Do me a favor, before I open this, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm going to give you some golden nuggets in this video. Go ahead and subscribe. I work a lot with unclaimed funds, surplus funds, and work on getting people paid. Okay, so this is a state fund contract. So let's go ahead and look at this. This is a checking account for just over $10,000, and there is a notarized document, and I've got some additional funds on here, and I've got the claim for abandoned property, and I've got the driver's license and everything I need. So basically, this is a contract for unclaimed state funds. In addition, I also received, I didn't open up this one, it's one of a couple that I've received. It's a Ohio foreclosure contract as well for $33,000. What we're doing is we're going after the funds and getting people paid. On my Monday live cold call, actually it had to be Tuesday because there was a tech problem on Monday, but on my Tuesday live cold call, that should have been on Monday, I got a hold, very first guy I called, had no idea he had unclaimed funds. He started drilling me with questions like, who are you? Why are you calling me? What do you want? I said, sir, you lived at this address. Not anymore, I don't. Yeah, I get the fact that you don't anymore, but you had this life insurance account. He goes, yeah, we had that. I go, it's gone dormant. I'm a state funds locator. I'd love to help you retrieve these funds back. And he had 4 or 5 small accounts. Like he had a Chase account. He goes, yeah, we had a Chase account. I go, well, this one has 300. Your Bank of America account has 100. All these have been turned over. My job is to get people paid. He's actually asked me for the paperwork. He's an older guy in his 70s. You have to be, and again, do I have this deal? Absolutely not. But if I don't call people and get this kind of information and go after these kind of deals, I'm never going to get the deal. So you have to be consistent and you have to be able to be following up in your deals. You will get paid. You will get people money. Look at Alan right here. So Alan first came in our program and he got his first couple checks that he posted for a couple $100. In the last 2.5 weeks, he has claimed 11,000. I'll give you the exact number here. $11,415.08. Now this is in 2.5 weeks. If he doubled that in the month, which he's got 27,000 on its way to him right now, he would be at $22,000 a month. If you did that 10 months out of the year, you would have a base pay of $220,000. There's money to be made in this business. You've got to stick with it. You've got to go ahead and work the business and be consistent. He has been very consistent. He works it for about an hour a day. I have another girl in the program who right now she is making, on her breaks, she's making calls and she's gotten 3 mortgage overage deals, all for over $30,000, all at 10%, again, by just being really consistent and making the calls and notifying people that they have unclaimed funds. You got to be consistent in the business. You got to work it, and you've got to ask questions and jump in. I do have some trainings available, some new trainings out there. If you want to watch one of my trainings, click the link down below. I'm also putting the pin, so the first comment section is one of my trainings. And then if you want to talk to us, you're more than welcome to do that. We do have, if you click the pin down below, you will see one of my trainings. And then from there, you could go ahead and ask us any questions that you want to ask us. And we're here to definitely help you out. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.